Hello, everyone. Welcome to this 15-minute shadowing practice session. My name is Alex, and I'm here to help you speak English slowly and clearly. This video is perfect for beginners. We will practice simple sentences and everyday conversations. Shadowing means repeating after me. Listen carefully, then say the words out loud at the same time or right after me. It will help your pronunciation, your fluency, and your confidence. Don't worry if it's hard at first. Just relax and try your best. We will go very slowly. Ready? Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings and Introductions. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? Good afternoon. How is the weather today? It's sunny and nice. Thank you. Good evening. How was your day? It was great, thanks. And yours? Hello. How are you doing? I'm doing well, thank you. Hi. What's up? Not much. How about you? Hey. Long time no see. Yes, it's been a while. Nice to see you. Please repeat after me. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm great. I'm great. I'm okay. I'm okay. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Part 2. Introductions. My name is Alex. What is your name? My name is Shara. Say your name. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. It's a pleasure to meet you. The pleasure is mine. Hi, I'm Shara. Where are you from? I'm from London. Say your place. Nice to meet you. Let's say it together. Hi, my friend. How are you doing today? Hi, my friend. How are you doing today? I'm happy to see you again. Me too. I'm glad to see you. What's your name again? Sorry, I forgot. No problem. My name is Shara. You can call me Shara. Okay, nice to meet you, Shara. Part 3. More practice phrases. How's it going? It's going well, thanks. How have you been? I've been good. What about you? What's new with you? Nothing much, just the usual. How's everything? Everything is fine. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. It's great to meet you. Great to meet you too. Part 4. Goodbyes. Goodbye. See you later. See you soon. Bye. Take care. You too. Take care. Have a good day. You have a good day too. See you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good night. Sleep well. Good night. Sweet dreams. It was nice talking to you. Yes, it was nice talking to you too. Daily routine. Now let's talk about your daily routine. I will speak slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee or tea. Then I go to work or school. I start work at 9 o'clock. I have lunch at noon. In the afternoon, I work or study. I come home at 5 o'clock. I cook dinner. I eat with my family. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I wake up early. I get dressed. I get dressed. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. Delicious. Delicious. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I like weekends. On weekends, I relax. I visit friends. I go shopping. Family and friends. Let's talk about family. I have a big family. My mother is kind. My father is strong. I have one brother and one sister. My brother plays soccer. My sister likes music. Who is in your family? I love my family. Friends are important too. My best friend is funny. We talk every day. We go to the park. We eat ice cream. Repeat. This is my mother. This is my mother. This is my father. This is my father. Brother. Brother. Sister. Sister. Friend. Friend. I love you. I love you. Food and shopping. I am hungry. Let's talk about food. I like apples. Apples are red and sweet. I like bananas too. What fruit do you like? Vegetables are healthy. I eat carrots. I drink water. At the store, I buy milk. I buy bread. I buy rice. How much is this? It is $5. Thank you. Here is your change. Repeat slowly. I like pizza. I like pizza. Chicken. Chicken. Rice. Rice. Soup. Soup. Delicious food. Delicious food. Weather and hobbies. Now the weather. Today is sunny. The sun is shining. It is warm outside. Tomorrow it might rain. Bring an umbrella. I like sunny days. What is the weather like in your city? My hobby is reading books. I read every night. I also like walking. Walking is good exercise. I listen to music. Music makes me happy. What is your hobby? Repeat. It is hot. It is hot. It is cold. It is cold. Rainy. Rainy. Snow. Snow. I like to dance. I like to dance. Simple conversations. Full short dialogues, repeat line by line. Let's practice a full conversation. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine. What is your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Another one, at a restaurant. Waiter. Welcome, what would you like? I would like water, please. Anything else? Yes, chicken and rice. Okay, coming soon. Thank you. Closing. Great job, everyone. You did wonderful today. Practice this every day. You will speak better and better. Remember, speak slowly. Be clear. Be confident. Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.